Welcome back to another tool deals of the day at homedepot.com. It is today only May 8th, which is Friday, and it's today only on their website. It's not available in the stores. I will have some links in the description below to some of these deals, as Home Depot does not allow me to have all the links to all the deals. So you still use a link and then find the item you're looking for, and the channel will still get credit. It won't cost you any more money, and it does help support the channel, and I really do appreciate that support. Now let's get started into the deals, and they have some good ones today, especially on some battery deals from Milwaukee and DeWalt. All right, first up is a deal on the Ryobi. It's a sliding compound miter saw with the Speed Bench mobile workstation. They have those two paired together for only $399. That's saving 169 bucks. That is 30% off. I think that mobile workstation is normally like $200 by itself. So technically paying $200 for that saw, and that is a good deal. And they brought back a deal on the one and done kit from Ryobi, the 18 volt 12 tool combo kit with 3 batteries and a charger for $629, saving 200 bucks. I think we've seen lower pricing on this before. I call it the one and done kit because it has basically all the tools you would need for most projects around the house, even including a miter saw. And then for 263 bucks, is the 18 volt Ryobi 6 tool combo kit. That is saving 215 bucks. That is 45% off. They will be brush tools, but to get 6 tools for 263 bucks is a decent deal. Another Ryobi option is on the 4-mode half-inch high torque impact wrench with 2 batteries, charger, and the bag for $176, saving 271 bucks. That is 61% off. That is another good deal. I think previously we've seen this deal for around $199, right around that range. And here's a really great deal from Milwaukee. It's the M18 starter kit with 2 Forge 6 amp hour batteries and the supercharger for 308 bucks. That is saving 241. That's 44% off. This is a great deal because the Forge batteries, the 6.0s, are actually the same price as the 8.0s if you were to buy them individually. They're $229 value right there each, and that supercharger is normally priced around $249 by itself. So to get that charger with those 2 Forge batteries for only 308 bucks, that's an excellent deal. It's saving 241 bucks. That's 44% off. And usually on the website, it shows how many is left in stock. And at the time of filming, they have 249 still available to ship. So I imagine this deal might sell out at some point today. All right, next up from Milwaukee is the M12. It's the installation driver with a ratchet for $219, saving $170. That's 44% off. Another good deal there from Milwaukee. The installation driver by itself is around $200, or even I think they raised the price to $220 or $229, which does have 2 batteries with that. And then the ratchet is a brushed model ratchet. It's not the fuel model, but for $219, you really can't beat that deal. That's an excellent savings on that. And I do highly recommend that installation driver. I have one. It's pretty excellent. It has these different attachments, including the right angle one and then the offset one, so you can get into tight corners and spaces. And it has the drill driver as well, so you can use regular drill bits. So it's an excellent tool, and that's a great price for that kit. All right, next up is the M18 oscillating multi-tool with a grinder for $469. That's saving only 18%. Not necessarily a good deal there. And then for $291, you can go with the M18 compact hammer drill and impact driver combo kit. It has 2 batteries. It looks like a 5 amp hour, maybe a 2 amp hour one. And also with the inflator for $291, saving 207 bucks. That's 42% off. That is another decent deal there because the inflator now is priced at 200 bucks by itself. So technically for 91 bucks, you're getting that compact hammer drill and impact driver. So decent deal right there. And here's a really good deal from DeWalt. It's on the 20 volt 5 amp hour battery and 2 amp hour battery and charger for only 80 bucks and 25 cents, saving 118.75. That's 60% off. They must be trying to dump this kit. This is the kit that they offered during the holiday time, where you bought it for 200 bucks and got a free tool. And we have seen other deals on this before where it was like around 100 bucks or even 120. So it's an excellent deal at 80 bucks to get that package, including that 4 amp charger. All right, next up is the Atomic Series drill and one-handed recip saw with 2 batteries, charger, and a bag for 206 bucks, saving 138. That's 40% off. And here's another good deal on batteries from DeWalt. It's on the XR Power Stack 3.5 amp hour batteries. It's a 2-pack of them for only $134. That's an excellent deal on it. That's saving 55%, $165 in savings. And then they brought back another deal on the 20 volt 10 tool cordless combo kit from DeWalt. Again, these are going to be like mainly brushed models, except for the drill, impact driver, and the oscillating tool. Everything else will be brushed for that $639. And we have seen other deals previously where it was cheaper than this. All right, next up is the Milwaukee M18 compact heat gun with two 6 amp hour batteries and the charger for $289, saving 32%. That's $139 off. And here's a decent deal right here. The M18 inflator with two 6 amp hour high output batteries and the charger for $289, saving $250. That's 46% off. That is a good deal because just how I explained earlier, the inflator is $200 by itself. And then for only $89, you're getting two high output 6 amp hour batteries and the charger. That's how I like to break down deals and see how if they're actually good or not. To get those batteries for $89 and the charger, excellent deal. Next up is a deal on M12 tools. It's the hammer drill and impact driver with two batteries and the ratchet for $239, saving $170. That's 42% off. That is another good deal because that two tool combo kit with the drill and impact driver is normally around $200, $230. So to get the ratchet for that same price, that's an excellent deal. And then next up is a deal on the M18 hammer drill. It's a 1/2-inch one with three 5 amp hour batteries for $319, saving $170. That's 35% off. Decent savings right there. And then also from Milwaukee, they have a 2-pack of the 2 amp hour batteries for only $108, saving $130. That's 55% off. And here's another good deal from Milwaukee, the M12 Rocket LED stand light, including the pack out light for only $172. That's saving $167. That's 49% off. It's an excellent deal there if you need some lights. Then they have the extended reach ratchet, which is the 1/4-inch one for $209, saving only $40. Not necessarily a great deal. Another M18 option is on the Surge impact driver with two batteries, charger, and a hard case for $249, saving $100. And next up is some Ridgid options. They have the two 4 amp hour max output batteries with that charger for $199, saving $119. That's 37% off. And they brought back a deal on the 3 light combo kit for $129, saving only $20. So not necessarily a good deal. And they brought back another deal on the two 4 amp hour batteries with the charger and bag for $79, saving $198. That's 71% off. That's a good deal for two 4 amp hour batteries and a charger. And another good deal is on the 18 volt inflator kit from Ridgid with a 2 amp hour battery and charger for only $89. That's saving $50. That's 36% off. So if you're in the Ridgid platform, that might be a good pickup right there. And here's an excellent deal from DeWalt on the 20 volt brushless screw gun kit with a 1.7 amp hour battery and charger for $139, saving $160. That's 54% off. The screw gun by itself is going to be more than $139 by itself. So it's an excellent deal paired with that power stack battery, especially if you have a lot of drywall work to do. That'd be an excellent pickup. Next up is another DeWalt battery deal. It's on the 5 amp hour battery, power stack battery with a 4 amp charger for $119, saving $140. That's 54% off. Another good deal. Let's see how many they have left at time of filming here. They have 697 available, so that should last for a while at least. All right, next up is a couple Ryobi options on the circular saw. It's the 5.5-inch one with a 2 amp hour battery charger for $79, saving $20. And then they have the 8 amp hour high performance battery with the rapid charger for $139, saving $100. That's a good deal on that, especially on the high performance battery. That's saving 42%. Now there is some outdoor power equipment options, and I'll skip over most of them, but I do want to highlight the Milwaukee one for $329 with the pole saw attachment. If you missed my Home Depot in-store video the other day, they have that priced again now at $379 to include that free attachment as one of the options. So it is actually a pretty good deal. And when they had the deal last month for the Spring Black Friday deal, they lowered the price to $349, and then they quickly raised it back up to that $379 mark. And then next up is a DeWalt 60 volt 20-inch chainsaw with a case and a 5 amp hour battery for $479, saving $134.97. That's 22% off. And then the other Milwaukee option is going to be on the quick lock string trimmer. Again, this one is paired with the edger attachment for that $329. The edger attachment by itself is priced at $129, whereas the pole saw, you're getting a better value for that same price. So that pole saw is priced around $180 or $170. Another good option from Milwaukee is on the string trimmer with a 6 amp hour battery and charger and that blower for $289, That's saving 109 bucks. That's 27% off. And these others aren't so much of great savings on these kits. But again, here for $329, you can go with the brush cutter attachment with that string trimmer. And don't forget, this does come with a Forge battery, which is an 8 amp hour battery, and the rapid charger. That's what also makes it a great deal. And then for $599, you can go with the complete kit with the different attachments, the 3 attachments, which is only saving 22%, 170 bucks off. So technically, it's basically getting one of the other attachments for free because of that value of 170, like the pull saw attachment or the brush cutter. Then on the DeWalt Flex Volt 60 volt 10-inch pull saw, it's $469, saving 110. That's 19% off. And I'm just going to skip over these other ones. Not necessarily best savings, only 17%. So certainly you could take a look if you're in the market for these other items. And then they brought back some other deals on some Anchor brand solar generator backup battery stations. And they have some paired with the actual solar panel themselves, saving like 15%, 200 bucks off. This one might be a decent deal right here for $729. They say it's saving $719, so 50% off. And that's the 1800 watt power station with a 200 watt solar panel. That is actually a pretty decent deal right there to get all that for $729. And then now we'll get into some Milwaukee options. They're bringing back some deals on the wrenches for 200 bucks, saving 27% off. And then the 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive sockets in a pack out for $271, saving 48 bucks. That's 15% off. And here's a decent deal on some recip saw blades, 20-piece set for only $13.33. That's saving 25 bucks. That's 66% off. That'd be a good deal. And these are good blades. And then the same thing goes for this other recip saw blade set. It's the Axe version and the nitrous one as well for $17.57, saving $32. That's 65% off. So if you need some blades, I do highly recommend these blades. They're pretty decent. And then they have some other hand tool options from Milwaukee for 80 bucks. You can go with a pry bar and hook and pick mechanic tool set, 14 pieces. That's saving 27%. A socket deal from Milwaukee for $269, saving 70, 21% off. You can get a hammer and pry bar for 40 bucks, saving 8. And then some hand tools for 55 bucks, saving only $18. So again, these aren't necessarily the best of savings going forward from Milwaukee, but it is Milwaukee after all. Another pack out version of the 3/8 drive ratchet socket set for $144, saving 25. So again, I'll just skip over these here. And here is a decent deal from Milwaukee. It's on the auger feed wood bit set. It's a 6-piece set for only 28 bucks. That's saving almost 24 bucks there. That's 46% off. And this is also a good deal for the oscillating blades, the 2-pack of them for only 16 bucks, saving 18. That's 54% off. They are decent blades. Another blade option for $16.37. You're saving 53% on that for a total of 4 blades. It's a bimetal blade there. Then they have the Wrecker blades, the Sawzall blades, 10-pack of them for $18, saving 65%. Another decent deal on some blades. Same thing goes for the Torch ones, 17 bucks, saving 69%. Then they have impact sockets for $162, saving 117. That's 42% off. That might be a decent pickup there, especially when they include the pack out. And I'll just skip over this Husky tape measures for 13 bucks, get a 2-pack of 25. Another Ryobi option for $55. You're getting 2 of the USB lithium lights, saving only 15 bucks. Here's another decent deal from DeWalt on the 20 volt 4 amp hour battery with the charger for $63.75, saving 115. That's 64% off. And then they also have the 6 amp hour battery with a 6 amp charger for only $84.38. That's saving 114 there. That's 58% off. And then another Ridgid option on a 4 amp hour battery for 53 bucks. You would be better off going with that 2-pack for 79 bucks. And that is going to be it for today's deal of the day at homedepot.com, which is Friday, May 8th. If you did get any value from this video, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. And I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.